What's the meaning of acute? Acute. 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 The word acute can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to something that is sharp, severe, or intense. For example, an acute illness is one that comes on suddenly and is often severe, while an acute sense of smell would mean having a very sensitive nose for detecting odors. In geometry, an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. In music, an acute accent is used to indicate a higher pitch. Overall, the common thread among these meanings is that acute refers to something that is sharp, intense, or focused in some way.